Hello everyone, our group will talk about the impact of short video platforms on the development of children's attention. Short video platforms like TikTok have rapidly expanded and reshaped how children engage with and consume digital content. They have characteristics such as rapid sense transition, strong sensory stimulation, and highly fragmented information. This impact the development of children's attention, and the impact is more pronounced in younger children, raising concerns about the development of children's attention systems. Short videos are like fast food. Their content is fast, highly stimulating, provides immediate gratification. This continuously activates the brain's reward system and releases dopamine. To maintain the brain's stratification, it requires stronger stimuli, forming a vicious circle. In construct, e-learning tasks are slowly require patience, offer delayed gratification. This mainly relies on the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for attention and self-control. Long-term exposure to highly stimulating short videos make the brain see efforts tasks as boring and resist them. So our topic is the relationship between elementary school students' TikTok use and attention development.
Hi everyone, in this section I will present the problem description, focusing on how TikTok short video use may affect children's attention development. TikTok has significantly changed children's viewing behavior worldwide, with rapid adoption due to its easy-to-use and entertaining format. However, child development experts have reached consensus that excessive cognitive exposure may negatively affect children's attention span and cognitive development. Attention is essential for learning and self-regulation, allowing children to focus and resist distractions. From a developmental psychology perspective, attention abilities improve from childhood to adolescence and rely heavily on executive function brain areas. However, excessive exposure to short videos with fast cuts, bright visuals, and random rewards can overstimulate the brain's reward system, impairing cognitive control and making it harder for children to sustain attention during learning tasks, such as reading. These concepts are supported by empirical evidence. For example, the study in 2025 found a significant link between excessive short video viewing and inattention among high school children. Similarly, an ETAL 2024 showed that short video addiction tendencies are associated with reduced executive control, suggesting attention-related brain mechanisms may be affected. Finally, environmental factors can further worsen this issue. Research shows that parental short video usage can exacerbate children's attention problem, allowing these behaviors to spread within the family. In addition, Children and Screens 2023 highlighted that unsupervised exposure to stimulating short videos may disrupt emotional regulation, sleep, and learning motivation. In conclusion, also TikTok may offer some benefits. Children's increasing dependency on fast-paced, short video content raises important developmental concerns. Understanding this issue is crucial for promoting healthier media practices and protecting children's long-term learning.
First, based on Piaget's cognitive development theory, children aged 2 to 7 are in the pre-operational stage, where thinking is mainly intuitive and image-based. TikTok short videos are highly visual and fast-paced, which fits this cognitive style very well. However, Piaget also stressed that development requires a gradual move towards logical thinking and sustained attention. Frequent exposure to fragmented content may limit children's opportunity to practice continuous concentration, which is important for progressing to later cognitive stage. Secondly, information processing theory views attention as the gateway to cognitive processing, and attention is a limited resource. TikTok short videos provide constant stimulation and instant rewards, which can overload the attentional system. Over time, this may train children to expect novelty and encourage repeated attention switching, making it harder for them to focus on slower, structured tasks such as classroom learning and continuous reading. Thirdly, Vygotsky's social cultural theory argues that cognitive development occurs through social interaction and cultural tools. In the digital age, Platforms like TikTok function as powerful cultural tools. When screen-based interaction replaces face-to-face communication, children may lose important social support for learning attention regulation. Family environment also matters, as children often intimate their parents' media use, reinforcing these attention patterns.
This slide presents the interview results from parents and teachers. They reported that TikTok fast and simulated videos reduce children's patience from slower activity. Children become used to instant rewards and shift their attention more quickly. As a result, they find it harder to stay focused during learning. This may have a negative impact on attention development in early childhood.
For this part, I will discuss the overall impact of TikTok short videos on children's attention. Based on teachers' observation and existing research, fast-paced and reward-driven content can reduce children's attention span. Short videos provide instant reward, which may make children less patient with slower and more construction learning tests. This section increases behavioral, theoretical, and neurophysiological perspective to explain how short video exposure affects children's attention development. First, teachers reported that many students now have shorter attention span compared to before. They also mentioned that maintaining long-term concentration in class has become increasingly difficult for children. Those observations are consistent with research showing that frequent exposure for fast-paced digital content harm attention and executive function. From a brain perspective, short videos can affect how children control their attention. Fast video chains and instant reward make children want constant stimulation. Because of this, slow and structured tasks become less interesting to them. According to information processing theory, children can only focus on a limited amount of information at one time. When children watch highly stimulation short videos, their attention system becomes overloaded. It makes it harder for them to focus on learning tests, especially tests that require long and continuous attention. Over time, children may prefer fast and exciting content instead of slower learning activities, such as reading or classroom learning. However, it's important to note that not all children are affected in the same way. Environment factors such as parents' guidance and screen time rules play an important role. When parents actively guide children's media use, the negative effect of shorter videos can be reduced. In addition, individual differences also matter, as some children are better at controlling their attention than others. To conclude, the discussion frequent use of TikTok can influence children's attention development. Short videos may encourage children to expect fast and constant stimulation. This can make it difficult for them to stay focused on learning tests that are slower and more structured. However, the impact is not the same for every child, as family environment and individual difference also play an important role. Therefore, teachers and parents should work together to guide children in developing healthy attention habits.
In the future, parents and teachers should manage screen time and design engaging learning experiences. At the same time, society needs to raise awareness of the cognitive risk of short-form videos, and future research should continue exploring their impact on children's development in the digital age. In conclusion, fast-paced and highly stimulating content can weaken children's ability to stay focused. The teacher has observed that students are more easily distracted and struggle to concentrate for long periods. Children are also becoming more dependent on instant gratification and less patient with efforts tasks. This problem involves both external facts such as the media environment and parents' habits, and internal factors like self-regulation.